So in the last class, what I have done, like I just created a setup of rig setup only up to here. This is a tail setup, and tail setup, extra joints has been extended over here. And apart from that, here, like simple spine is there. Okay, and this is a cog, and it's a regular normal leg setup. Okay, fine. So here I have added, these joints. Okay, so let us add additional joints for this. So you have one joint here. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just go to skeleton, create joints. We have one joint. So from here I'll create one, two, and three. Okay, enter. So now what I'll do, this which I have created, I'm gonna bring this up here. And I'm gonna rotate this like this. Press D, and only move that one inside. Okay, it's done. Then what I'll do, I'm gonna duplicate this one here, a little front. Okay, so one here. Like this. Okay, one extra joint setup here. Then I duplicate this one here. So let me place this one here, one here. I need to match this. So I'm pressing insert or D, then later I'm moving the joints individually. Okay. So it's, if you observe here, this is one setup, this is another one, this is the third, and this is the fourth. Similarly, two more I'll be adding here. Let's say one here, like this. Okay, let me add one here. Like this. And I add one more here. Like this. Okay, and anyhow is there, I'm gonna I duplicate one more like this. So I think there is one part which we haven't added. I think that is this one. It's like this. So everything we have added. So I duplicate this joint, one I place here. Let's say this two will be controlled by this joint. This uh, 1, 2, 3. This will control this three joint. And this will control this three joint. Okay. That's all right. Okay. Select this. Say I press insert or D, then only you can move this a bit front. Okay, now come to this view. So you need to place these things properly. Make sure the joints are placed inside this. Okay, so it has been placed properly. Then what I'll be doing is, there's a one joint here, the first joint. This I'm not gonna, uh, I'm not be linking any of these joints here, but let's say, okay, let's take it from here. This 1, 2, 3. This will be child of this joint. So select this three, shift select this P. Now select this three, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and select this joint P. Similarly, now this two, select this two and select this joint, it is P. Then select this and select this. This is a child of this one. So you need to select this and this P. So we are creating this chain network. Select this and this P. Then select this and this P. Now select this and this we need to select. We have to do P, that's parenting. So what we'll do here. So it's a wing, left wing. So this is left wing main, 1, 2, 3, 4. This 4 is a left wing main wings. Okay. I'll name this as, okay, let's do one thing. We need to rename this properly. Okay, or else just I'll unparent this. I'm just doing Control Z for unparenting. Okay, so what I'll do, this 3, first this 3 is there, no? Let this 3 be child of this one, P, like this. Then this 3 be child of this one. No, not this. This 3 is child of this one, P. Then this 3 is child of this one, P. Then this 2 be child of this one, P. Now this is okay. Okay, now what I'll do, let us consider A, B, C. Left wing A, left wing B, left wing C. I select this hierarchy, right click, select hierarchy. Here you rename this. That is LT underscore wing underscore A. So there are 9 joints. A, then 1, 2, so you can observe this one, 1, 2, 3, okay, like that. Yeah, it's mentioned here. Select this, select hierarchy, LT underscore wing underscore B. Similarly, select this, right click hierarchy, LT underscore wing underscore C. Okay. Now this is left wing, LT underscore wing. Okay. So now what I'll do, we need to parent all these things. Yeah. So parenting this, we have to select this and this P, select this and this P, select this and this P. Now we got this right. Now what I'll do, you can see this entire setup is done. Skeleton mirror joint. Uh, we need to mirror across YZ. This is YZ, and search for LT. Replace with RT. Mirror. See, we got it. We got it like this. Any doubts up to here? Okay, so just a minute. So finally, once this is done, I'm selecting these two joints. These two, this and this, should be child of this one. Select this two and select this. P. So later, when I select the cog, this is the joint setup. So what happens is, for example, later I can select this and this will move, fly like this. The character can fly like this. Or else select individually like this, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then when I rotate, observe the rotation, observe this, how does it move? See, it will bend also. See, the wings will bend. It looks really nice in this case. Observe. You get a curvy output, see, like a curve output. So this completes the joint setup and naming, everything is done. Now I select this, right click, hierarchy. This is the step which you have to do without fail, without miss. You need to select the cog. Once this joint setup is done, select the cog, go to hierarchy, then modify, freeze transform. Without fail, we have to do modify, freeze transform, and I'll save this. Now this completes joint setup. Any doubts up to here? You understood?
Yes, sir.
So this is kind of a customized rig. This is model looks simple, but there are huge, joint setups are there. More setups are there. Okay. So next I'll show you how to add IK handle for the leg part. Okay. So it's quite simple here. This is the thigh part and this is the ball part here. Ball is here. You should know. This is a ball. Okay. So what we'll do is skeleton, create IK handle. It is RP solver, rotate plane solver, from thigh to ball. Okay, give from thigh to ball, so that you can select the IK handle here. We can have like this. So the character walk like this. Okay. So basically, the joint part, the knee part, like this, the bend happens like this for the bird, like this. Okay. So I'll add one more IK handle here. Select the same IK handle, rotate plane solver from here to here. Okay. IK handle is also done. So next we need to add controllers. That is a part which we have to do. Even for the joints, you can see like to select these joints individually. And when you rotate, you get rotation like this. This completes the joint part. So any doubts up to here?
No, sir.
Okay, shall I continue to the next part? Controllers, or you want to do up to here?
I think this is okay.
Huh?
I think this is okay. Like I have to do up to here because this is more technical.
Okay, you would like to do up to here?
Yeah, sir.
Fine then, you guys do up to here. In the next class, I'll show you controllers. After controllers, we have to do skinning for this. Controllers and constraints, then skinning. Okay. I think hopefully in another one we can complete. So try to create, wing setup like this. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
observe carefully and do like this. And this, some 2-3 rigging, if you do know, you can create a rigging demo reel based on this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Try doing this.
All right, sir. Thanks.
Yeah, I'll upload this video. Okay.
All right, sir.
Okay, fine then. Thank you. let me know if you guys have any doubts. Okay. So, okay. Thanks. Bye. Have a good day.